Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python abstract syntax trees, AST, provide a structured representation of Python code. AST Explorer is a powerful tool that allows developers to interactively explore and analyze the AST of Python code. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the basics of AST Explorer, its features, and provide practical examples to demonstrate its usage. AST Explorer is an online tool that helps developers visualize and understand the abstract syntax tree of Python code. It enables you to explore the hierarchical structure of your code, making it easier to analyze and manipulate. The tool is particularly useful for those working on code transformation, optimization, and static analysis. Visit AST Explorer. Open your web browser and go to the AST Explorer website, https://astexplorer.net. Select Python. Choose the Python version you're working with from the drop-down menu at the top right corner. Explore the interface. Familiarize yourself with the AST Explorer interface, which typically consists of three main sections: the code editor on the left, the AST visualization on the right, and the options panel at the bottom. The left panel is where you can enter your Python code. Start by typing or pasting your code into this editor. The right panel displays the visual representation of the abstract syntax tree corresponding to the code entered in the editor. This hierarchical structure helps you understand how Python interprets your code. The options panel at the bottom provides various settings, such as selecting the Python version, adjusting the AST rendering options, and more. Let's explore some practical examples to demonstrate how AST Explorer can be useful. In the AST visualization, you'll see a tree structure representing the operations and operands, helping you understand how the expression is parsed. The AST visualization will show the function definition, parameters, and the return statement, allowing you to inspect the structure of the function. Explore how conditional statements are represented in the AST, helping you understand the branching structure of the code. AST Explorer is a valuable tool for Python developers to gain insights into the inner workings of their code. By visualizing the abstract syntax tree, you can better comprehend the structure and relationships between different elements in your code. This understanding is crucial for tasks like code transformation, optimization, and static analysis. Make AST Explorer a part of your toolkit to enhance your Python development experience. ChatGPT.